Action. How you going? So it's the July the 31st 2021 and I'm back up on the Murray River in the middle of winter. Another trip up here and it must be close to 20 degrees now. I got myself and Ben in the 79 who you would have seen back in the Rubicon video when we did a fair bit of winching. Now the river's come up a lot in the last few days, so which caught us out. We were looking for a beachside spot but most of them underwater, and we just managed to snag this campsite here. So there's a few people around, not many. Coming in here though was pretty interesting. We actually crossed a river and I had water up onto the windscreen through one of the crossings, so you'll see that footage there pop up. But gonna have a cook up tonight. Got another mate, Jake, coming up, who was also in that Rubicon video. Absolutely cracking spot here. So we've got some firewood sorted. We're gonna have a cook up tonight, enjoying this winter sun. Yep, go. Alright, so we're all set up now. Ben's got the Oz tent, Jake's got one of them tents you throw out and pop up in 2 seconds flat. We're just about to go collect a bit more firewood for dinner tonight. It's going to be a cool night. There is a bit of a chance of possible rain later on this evening, but that's all good. We're all set up for it. Time to go cut some firewood.
Smacked it right on target. Oh, missed it there. You've got it, mate. Just put your in. Yeah. You missed it.
No, I didn't. Do another one.
Slow mo like this one.
Split it in half.
Split this in half.
Yep.
Be too small.
No, I'll be right.
Got control. This?
Yeah, yeah.
Split.
Oh, the dog nearly got my porterhouse.
Yeah, he's going to eat it off. so lacking in heat that he's just going to eat it.
It was close.
Straight off the thing.
You keep your eyes off my steak.
Look at that stuff there like that, look. Go get my Ridge
There we go. There's the
Rider headlamp.
there's the porterhouse straight off the fire. Have it with a bit of salad. They're big eggs.
They're good, aren't they?
Yep.
Sorry, you just like
Fogged up.
that turned into a disaster.
Alright, so this is only going to be a short video, just something I thought I'd throw together. It was more just to come up here and relax. Back down at home it's about 13 degrees and rainy up here. It'd be about probably 16 right about now and the sun's out. Now last night we had about 4 mil of rain overnight. So we're just drying everything out at the moment. We had a good cook up this morning, nice bacon and eggs, and a good cook up last night over the fire as well. Now this spot here, I found this just by looking at wiki camps and found our way into here. Normally there's nice big beach sandbars through here, but this water is up, and we've since found out that they've been releasing water from Lake Mulwala coming down, which is the reason why the water's up here at the moment. But still a great spot anyway. Definitely be coming back. Now if you've been to this spot, let me know down below, or if you've got another good campsite that you would like us to check out, again feel free to comment down below. Got a few more trips planned coming up soon, so hopefully you're all around to check those out. So if you have liked this video, or it's your first time here, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
I'm new to this.
Me too.
Look at that. They're all cut.
Jake, there was no sizzle. There was no sizzle. But have a look at it.